Welcome back. We're in the shop. My name is Aiden. You're watching CLUBBMOTO Stunt Dyna Build Series Part 2. I'm really excited about this particular product that we're going to be installing today. I gave you guys a little hint in the last episode. We're replacing the stock suspension. So we're going to be getting rid of the stock 12 inchers, and we're going to be installing today the Legend suspension 14-inch REVO ARCS with the 130 spring rate, heavy duty spring rate, and I got the red logo to match, you know, the paint scheme and the color combination of the bike here. Well, I'm super excited about this. These are really quality shocks. They've been, you know, tried and true, tested. They got built-in Heim joints here. It allows it to flex when it needs to. Made in America, Sturgis, South Dakota. Always representing the Harley scene. They have a whole YouTube channel, so you should check them out because if you're interested, they'll tell you how to set them up, what setups are best for what type of riding style. They got mono shocks that just came out for the soft tails. They got bagger shocks where the reservoir is relocated so you can still run your hard bags. This company is super dope, and I'm really excited to be installing this. Gotta love the Unknown Industries custom settlement seat. The red, oof. Ooh, yeah. Son of a bitch. Oh my
2 hours later.
Had to break out the big boy. Son of a bitch. Now it should just... Okay, pull right off there. Holy motherfucking shit. Little comparison right there, side by side. Okay, I got both shocks off. I have an early model Dyna. If you're going to run the Legends on an early model Dyna, you have to swap the stock upper shock mount hardware out with that from a later model Dyna. At the dealerships around me, they didn't have all the parts in stock, so I just ordered them from Ronnie's Harley Davidson. And when I bought them from Ronnie's Harley Davidson, came with a little Loctite on them, which is nice. I'm going to leave it loose right now, do the other side, then we're going to jack it up a little bit so we can get our spacing correct, and then everything will line up. There it is. I don't see any remnants of old thread locker on this, these shock mount studs, which is super comforting. Not a fucking bit. Put the new shit on. Ooh. I'm gonna have to move the jack because it must be on the swing arm. Oh, isn't it touching right now? See, it won't fit under this ginormous portion of the frame. I think it's because it's a lowrider and the stance is already a few inches lower than stock. Oh yeah. And there you have it. A little bit of sweat, a lot of swearing, custom lift. Is it going to sacrifice the integrity of the lift? Probably. Do I give a shit right now? No, because it's 9 o'clock and I want to install the goddamn suspension. F***ers. Let's see if I fucked it up. I don't think I hit any of that.
Nice, you did it.
Trash.
That was so intense.
I didn't want to wait. Okay.
You're almost there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Keep going. Yeah.
Is the tire even close to touching? Not on my side.
No.
Oh shit, this bitch gonna be high up there. Yeah, I'm like 5'9". I'm not even gonna be able to ride this thing after I do this. Let alone stunt that shit. I'll be like, oh! Left foot down. Left foot down first. Okay. What am I looking for? Some wine? Okay. Thanks, babe.
We're classy here. We drink wine out of solo cups.
The lowriders. Their stock stance, I'm pretty sure, is like 2 inches lower than your other Dyna models, or like an inch at least. So couldn't get my jack under the right portion of the frame. I was gonna go on the oil pan if I did it any differently. So there was really no option. I was either going to have to buy a skinnier flat jack anyway, or cut it and then buy one anyway. So it's like, might as well cut it now and get it done. So how about now?
Oh yeah.
There she is.
Jackson.
Fuck yeah! You only have to destroy your shit to work on them. Harley Davidson.
Did you destroy it? Or was it better?
I probably, honestly, it's a custom Harley Davidson flat jack. They're never gonna hire me.
Nobody will. Destroying shit.
Yeah. And problem number 2 has arisen. Pretty sure that bolt's too fucking long, so we're gonna take the angle grinder to the bolt again. No, I'm just kidding. We got the suspension on. The spacing was a little bit off. So with these early model Dynas, in addition to the 08 and up shock mount hardware, you're probably gonna have to contact Legends, which I did, and they'll send you a spacer kit with a bunch of different size spacers for free. So they just shipped that out to me, 2-day express shipping. So while I was waiting for those spacers to ship, I had already planned on adding the Kruesi Original top and lower shock mount sliders. So I figured I might as well order those, and then they'll get here, the spacers and the shock mount sliders will get there at the same time. This is the top mount, and this one's the bottom. And so it comes with its own hardware. If you're running this, you don't need the 08 and up shock mount hardware. This will look way cleaner, so I'm super excited to run some Kruesi Original stuff. I talked about them all the time. Their videos are super dope. I have a crash bar on pre-order from them, so I'm waiting for that as well. But these shock mount sliders are going to be sweet. So we're going to throw these on there. I'm going to swap out the hardware that I already have on the shocks right now. If you're not going to run the Kruesi Original sliders, to solve this problem, you really just have Legends send you the spacer kit. And then they told me you can pretty much space it however you want in order to get the top and the bottom aligned, and so that they're not too far out. As long as they're not angled weird like it is here. So I'm going to go ahead and run the Kruesi Originals shock sliders because I plan on sliding. Now these are definitely a component that you're going to want to put thread locker on. You just want to make sure that you protect your paint because it will stain. These torque to 45 foot-pounds, I believe. There's 45. Sweet. Boom. That's all you need. Don't go crazy. So we got them in. They look fantastic. I am super, super happy with this. Can't wait to ride it. We got some shitty weather coming up. Plus, I got to do the part 3 of the Stunt Dyna Build Series. It's going to be risers, TC Bros. Let's go. So I've been waiting for those motherfuckers to come in stock for a long time. So probably keep her on the lift until after that one. Then we'll probably take her down. I can give it a good test ride. The only thing left to do after you swap your suspension, if you're going higher, you want to check your belt tension. I mean, if you're swapping any suspension, you want to check your belt tension or chain tension or whatever you're doing to make sure it's still within specs. Otherwise, you will f up your transmission, and nobody wants that. But that's pretty much it. We finally got the suspension on. Goddamn, took me 3 weeks. So we got Legend suspension, 14-inch REVO ARCS with a heavy-duty spring rate, and the Kruesi Originals top and bottom shock mount sliders. And so, you know what that means? It's time to put some stickers on the motherfucking fairing. What did they call this guy? I can't remember. Kruesi Originals? Hell the fuck yeah. Legend suspension. She's coming along. Alright, so like I said before, we'll be moving on to part 3 of the Stunt Dyna Build Series. Putting on the TC Bros, what are they called? Modular pullbacks. I got the 6-inch. And they updated the, I'll bring it out. Why not? Sneak peeks. I'm all about the sneak peeks. They sent me a free koozie. Now I got 2 motherfucking free TC Bro koozies. Let's go. And there's stickers, hella stickers in there. So these are the modular risers. Modular pullback. They have straight ones as well. 6-inch. Yeah, so that's what's happening next episode. And that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notified when every video comes out. All the build series. Working on the Magna. I just put a video out for that. So stay tuned. More good shit coming. And we're good. You're telling me that's the fucking kickstand bolt? That's literally impossible to get to. What? We're going to jack up the rear end so the tire is just barely touching the lift and you can like freely rotate it a little bit. And then we're going to pop off one shock, attach the... Then we're going to pop off... Fuck it. Just for a little comparison.
You gotta show it the other way with it in front of you. There you go.
Okay, and when you get the upper shock mount stud out, don't get rid of all your parts just yet because I'm going to be reusing some of them, I believe. Perfect. She's gone. I felt that in my like arms, almost like a heart attack.